How to change YouTube handle name on mobile before 14 day. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change YouTube handle name on mobile before 14 days. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device. Make sure you are signed in and now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on your name option you see there. Now go ahead and tap on the edit button you see there and further tap on the edit button beside the handle option. You can see it is clearly mentioned that you can change your YouTube handle twice every 14 days. However, if you want to change the handle name again, even after changing it twice already, go ahead and open your preferred browser and search for YouTube support. Tap on the very first link you see there and scroll down and you will see the option for personalized URLs. Tap on that and then tap on the youtube.com/handle option. Now tap on change handle and here you can change your handle name again. As you can see, I have already changed my handle name twice. So this is how you can change YouTube handle name on mobile before 14 days. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.